Hey, what's up guys, my name is Baltic David and today I want to show you how to make some research on YouTube, and also I'll show you a very nice research tool that you can use for free. You can also pay for that, but you can use it 100% for free, as I'm doing right now. I am interested in buying it because you will have a lot of things added to your plan, but yeah, now I'm using it for free and I'm not lying to you, you can use it for free. Now, let me show you what YouTube research mean. Let's create an incognito page. Why not? Because as you can see, I'm influencing based on my history on YouTube. YouTube is trying to recommend me stuff. The same will be in my YouTube search. Just open incognito page and you will have to search for something. As an example, how to make potions in Minecraft. Good. And I can see a couple of videos popping up. This will be like posted a year ago, 1.3 million views. 7 months ago, 300,000 views. 10 days ago, 2,500 views. That's not bad for that period of time. 6 years ago, 3 million of views, and so on. You can see there are tons of videos making this way. And let's go to vidIQ. This is the tool that I will present to you. I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I would, but I'm not. So let's open this. Let's type this keyword inside, and as you can see, the competition it's huge on this keyword, and the search volume is not that great. So let's search something else. Like as an example, Minecraft potions, Minecraft how to make potions. It's a bit better. That the other one had a 32 overall score. This one have a 33, but it's still bad, man. So let's leave it for now, and let's search something else. Where is it? How to make, I don't know, let's search a subdomain keyword on this, like how to make potions of the turtle master in Minecraft. No grammar error, no nothing. Let's type it. Copy that as well because I will put that in vidIQ. So as you can see, tons of videos. 2 years ago, 66k. 22k 2 years ago, plenty of videos. I'm wondering if I will see one of my videos here because I made over 100 videos on how to make potions in Minecraft. No, still not none of my videos yet. However, let's type this into the vidIQ tool. And 38, still better than what it was. And as you can see, vidIQ is trying to recommend us some keywords. And the reason why I'm trying to buying it in the future, because you will see more keywords related. Yeah, these are the costs of the plans. I'm looking to buy just the pro one. However, that's the benefit of buying it because you will see more related keywords. As you can see, this is 32 overall score. And this one looks like 29. Damn it. Can we find something else? Much better are 44, but it's still bad if you are trying to grow a channel. I will not recommend you to make a video on this one. How to make splash potion of swiftness in Minecraft. If I'm not seeing one of my videos here, I don't know what I'm going to do. Yes, I can see one of my videos, and it's the first one actually popping up at 300 views 8 months ago, and another one that in that one I was showing how to make the splash potion of swiftness P2 8 months ago, 3.2k views, which is not bad because I also see a lot of videos here. So YouTube will also recommend you like newer videos that was created earlier and not the old ones. Also, if your video is longer than your competitors, you have a better chance than showing that in the search bar. But most probably that is also influenced because I created them. I know I'm incognito, but who trusts incognito? Come on. I mean, it's much better than using your normal browser, but once you open incognito, you can trust that 100%. So maybe that's another reason why I see myself first when I search that on this computer. That's another factor which you'll have to take in count. Maybe if you search that to see if you can see one of your videos, if you search that keyword from a different device which is not yours, maybe of a friend, that will help. How to create a YouTube channel? Maybe this one will be the winner. 47, great search volume, but the competition is high. vidIQ is trying to recommend us something. Yeah, the search volume is also great, but the competition is huge, man. How to create a playlist on YouTube? Oh, that's much better. The search volume is not awesome, but also the competition is not that huge, and as you can see, the overall score is at 63. let's search that into the YouTube. I bet many, but this is an ad. 1, 2, 3. This is not in English. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Sometimes I saw the vidIQ is not really working. What do I mean by that? Sometimes even if you see the competition is huge and you will search that in the search bar, maybe you will see just one video teaching you that. Maybe you will see none. This is why I count to see how many people created a video on a tutorial on how to create a playlist, because sometimes you'll see nobody created a video on that type. Maybe you'll see just one, and despite the fact that the vidIQ is telling you the competition is huge, it's not. So this is why you'll have to search also that one into the search bar. DJI Action 3. If you don't know what is that, it's an action camera like GoPro. However, let's put this into the vidIQ because I want to show you something. Yeah, this is something rare which you would see on vidIQ. As you can see, the competition is small, but the search volume is huge and overall is high. So when you see your competition is low, also your search volume is high, it means that you have to create a video on this type. Man, also, let me search something different on this action camera. DJI Osmo Action 3, because this is the full name. Much better. Action camera DJI Osmo Action 3. No. So this is the greatest at 73. Yeah, looks like. What else can you do to search something, to have ideas what to search? You can do that. How to change. YouTube is already trying to recommend us something. How to change YouTube channel name. How to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. However, let's put this underscore on Steam as an example. Yeah, and it's working. How to change language on Steam, so how to change name on Steam, how to change password on Steam. So YouTube will try to put a word instead of that underscore, and that will help you a lot. How to change Windows 10, if you're doing tutorials for that. You can see people are searching how to change cursor on Windows 10, how to change brightness on Windows 10, how to change wallpapers on Windows 10. And that's awesome. You'll have to take every keyword related that is YouTube is recommending you, put that into the vidIQ, and let's have a look. It's not that terrible, but I'm still not doing it at 54 overall, because I can bet I can see tons of people. So how to adjust brightness? 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4, but yeah, tons of people. If you're small, I will not compete with all these guys because they have tons of subscribers and you have a very lower chance to be put in front of them. Maybe if you have a better thumbnail, that will also work. How to make an underscore in Minecraft? I can tell you that already. You will see it's very rare to see something that will work to make on Minecraft, because there are tons of people who are making videos on Minecraft. How to make a house in Minecraft, and believe me when I'll tell you that the Minecraft topic it has a lot of competition, because I'm into that and I'm eating doing that. So yeah, how to make a house in Minecraft, tons of videos. I can say that is already a huge competition before I'll put that into vidIQ, and yeah, a lot of competition. So guys, that was pretty much it about this tutorial. I really hope I help you. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And I want to wish you one more thing. Please have the greatest day you can possibly have. Consider subscribing for more YouTube guides. Have a nice day.